Chief Minister Nongthong Bireni inaugurates two-day Barak Festival 2019 at Mini Stadium, Senapati district. And Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 gets President's assent, turning it into an act amid protest. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon Bulletin and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthong Bireni inaugurated Barak Festival 2019 at the Mini Stadium of Senapati district today. The festival is being celebrated since 2013. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Bireni said that peace is being restored in the state, finally with everyone's blessings and cooperation. He said some screens try to create issues unnecessarily and try to politicize every non-political issues. But now majority of the people in the state are with the government. Bireni also called upon everyone to cooperate and pray for bringing a peaceful conclusion of the Naga issues. Chief Minister Bireni assured that the government will sanction enough funds for a grander celebration of the festival from next year. He also said that efforts will be made to hold the festival on Barak river banks to generate awareness on the significance of the river. Naga People's Organization organized the event, which will continue till December 14. PHED Minister El Dikho, MLA Ngamthang Haukip, Ex-Minister Francis Ngajokpa, MLA Dr. S. Ranjan, Senapati District Deputy Commissioner S. Somorjit, Tourism Department Director W. Bohal and other top officials attended the event.
Kanakung makharana de irang yam sagat pa pame tu di mayam ne biro bani nan issues kaya issue henna balang nei political way de kaya political way henna balang nei adu mayam balang nei adu bo peoples are with us now. Manipur ki majority people say asi government sikare adu mona bose koina sugumba festival ma ukrul da Senapati da Tamenglong da pangthopong ba ibani mayam ki support mayam ki love na thade cooperation na thade moy adu mayam punama Nungsi sana na nungai na enjoy tokyo life si pungum na nagpo punsi ne ako nungsi na basina that is the most important ako amaga respect ang naba amaga understanding line naba ado na human value human trust ado digi hen respect.
Works Minister Thongam Biswajit commends the 45th Annual Athletic Meet 2019 of Sainik School Imphal at the school campus in Pangai today. Ahead of the event, senior-most students of the school rallied till Imphal International Airport, where the school was first established, to bring flame for the sports meet. Minister Biswajit took salute of the march past by contingent of students from different houses of the school, after which he declared the commencement of the annual athletic meet. Speaking at the event, the minister said the then Union Defence Minister V.K. Menon established Sainik School in 1961 with an aim to groom boys to join the National Defence Academy, NDA to serve the nation, and Sainik School Imphal was established in 1971. He lauded the school for bringing laurels for the state since then. The minister expressed pride and happiness that the 7 students of Sainik School Imphal have cleared this year's ND examination conducted by the Union Public Service Commission, UPSC. Students showcased various demonstrations including bunker bursting drill and mass PT on the occasion. Principal of Sainik School Imphal Group Captain HCS Chauhan, teachers and guardians attended the event.
When I see like Tamini Harakanakari, and the Tamino, the Chinese school, the Maruana Tami, Posikari, no. Adabungasi comparatively, a power all in the argument with a Chinese school, a papa late, a Udabu, I couldn't see high, Nasima, I couldn't Nasima Unahanba, Zazina, principal, now, I could let India, Ladiba, UPC examination, written examination declared with 7 students from the Chinese school in Palagi. Sikam the Nungavanova. I now Natraka, I could Nesson, Amada, Manipur. Matam Amadadi, Indian Defence Academy, that Natraga, any Kanoda, Akogi, Machine Tiraga, put the Tiraga, Ma, Aduana Tibungameva, physically uncountable numbers of the army officers here, a lady, Habasi, Masisa, Tuxing Amane.
Oja Sanajauba Memorial Trust, Manipur observed the 10th death anniversary of Professor Naurim Sanajauba at Kurai Laidikingbam Maka Leikai today. Speaking on the occasion, Dean of Mathematics and Physical Science of Manipur University, Professor N. Rajmohan said inclusion of Professor Naurim Sanajauba's biography in the syllabus for university students would be of great inspiration for the younger generations. He said Professor Sanajauba's invaluable teachings for the state during his lifetime, including the need to preserve and promote the state's valuable medicinal plants and herbs, and the priceless biological hotspots of the state have become relevant today. Chairperson of Manipur Minority Commission, Muhammad Anwar Hussain, President of Borai Laimarol Apun Bamaira Paibi Manipur, Elmem Chobi, Amuko President Page Nando, Social Worker, Filson, Y. Lungha, representatives of various CSOs and Maira Paivis associations and students offered floral tributes to the portrait of Oza Sanajauba at the memorial event.
Ozana nauna wazao erga lerambada thengnakibadagi mangondagi like pabagi habit impact of books apawa like things in society da kaya yamna change propung ngamagi haiba like habasidi assemble lanni ko masi collection tawdongni haiba ozagi matung ilaga lakjabani ta semomati oza sanajaba assemba fisheries tungi oiba masai gi panbigi badani kadomdano manipur ga harisi masi hanjin akoi naina ba mathau tai even workshop and bangtok pay seminar and discussion to be kadom Manipur. Ek is policy la trabu matunda. Ekoi Manipur kadom the saki gadoriga habesi. How you know hona among nainabagi matam we. Ekoi get trust in my gate. La coder but 20 sida. Ekoi am sawa workshop natric seminar form da. Kadom Manipur. In the context of Northeast Ek is policy la pugal 2030 की sustainable development goals की मरी लेना ना कोई हम चाहूँगा नहीं ना भाई आवा अमनी है.
As a part of the security measures taken by Bishnupur District Police, door-to-door search operations were carried out at Kongkham Awang Leikai Ward number 9 areas from 5 a.m. till 6:30 a.m. today. The team including DSP Commando, DSP Operations, SDPO Bishnupur, SDPO Moirang, OC Commando, Bishnupur District, OC Moirang, OC Kumbi, OC Kaibul Lamchao, OC Loktak, OC Bishnupur, OC PGCI, OC NBL, OC Women Police Station, Reserve Line and Commando carried out the operation under the command of Bishnupur District Police Additional SP Operations. Altogether, 345 individuals, including 180 women, were verified during the drive. The team picked up 10 non-locals without proper identity, 5 bailouts of the prescribed KY Kigil. They were handed over to Nambol Police Station for necessary verifications. State-level Nupilal Organizing Committee and Manipuri Literary and Cultural Forum Tripura jointly observed the 80th Nupilal commemorative event at Gitanjali Auditorium Hall in Rani Bazar, Tripura yesterday. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam inaugurated the event by lighting up candles. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portraits of late brave women of the state and observed 1 minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed souls. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Karam Shyam extolled the tremendous and exemplary roles taken by women of the state. Many Manipuri diasporas in Tripura took part in the event. Tengnopal Battalion of 26th Sector Sam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South carried out a cleanliness drive at Swachhta Pakwara under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan at Kudingthabi village in Tengnopal district yesterday. Sam Rifles spread the message for a clean and green India at the drive. Time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, getting President's assent, turning it into an act. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon Bulletin. And now the national news. President Ram Nath Kovind has given his assent to the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, turning it into an act. According to an official notification, the act comes into effect with its publication in the official Gazette yesterday. The act makes illegal migrants of 6 communities, Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi and Christian from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan till December 31st, 2014, eligible for Indian citizenship. The amendment is not applicable to the tribal areas of Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram or Tripura as included in the 6th schedule to the constitution and in the areas covered under the inner line permit. The inner line permit regime is applicable in Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Mizoram. Governor said that there is a need to differentiate between intruders and refugees. Citizenship Amendment Bill does not discriminate against anyone and does not snatch anyone's right. The Citizenship Amendment Bill was passed by Rajya Sabha on Wednesday and by Lok Sabha on Monday. Curfew was relaxed in Guwahati and Dibrugarh till 1 p.m. today, a day after at least 2 people were killed and about 11 hit by bullets during violent protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act, which saw agitators defy curfew and clashed with police in Assam. Police in Guwahati fired bullets and tear gas as frenzied mobs, some numbering several hundred, demonstrated in the streets, said vehicles blessed and vandalized government buildings. As anti-citizenship law protests intensified in Assam, Paresh Barua, the chief of the banned rebel outfit Alpha I, made an appeal to people to end violence and solve the issue in a democratic manner. Shops remain shut down in Shillong as authorities impose curfew in view of protests against the amended Citizenship Act. While Tripura's joint movement against Citizenship Amendment Bill, JMA-CAB, has withdrawn its proposed indefinite strike after meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Various parts of the country has also erupted into agitation against the Citizenship Amendment Act. And now the sports news. LYUC Lorembam will battle against WSWC Wabaga in the final match of the ongoing 21st Invitational Junior Men's Open Kabaddi Tournament on December 15. Altogether, 11 teams took part in the pre-final matches of the tournament organized by Lorembam Youth's Unique Club Numbol at the club's ground from September 27 till September 29. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren inaugurates two-day Barak Festival 2019 at Mini Stadium, Senapati District. And Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 gets President's assent, turning it into an act amid protest.